Hi there! Is your voice memo app acting up on your iPhone? Whether it's freezing, crashing, or just not saving recordings, you are in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through some effective solutions to get your voice memo app back on track. Let's jump right into the fixes. Solution 1. Delete and reinstall the voice memo app. First, locate the voice memo app on your home screen. Then, press and hold the app icon until options appear and select Remove App. Next, tap Delete App and confirm the action. Now, open the App Store on your device. After that, search for Voice Memos and reinstall the app. Finally, open the app to see if it's working properly. Solution 2. Check for iOS updates. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on General, followed by Software Update. If you see an update available, tap Download and Install to get your device updated. Once the update is complete, restart your iPhone. Now, open the Voice Memo app and test to see if everything is functioning as it should. Solution 3. Free up storage. First, head over to Settings on your iPhone. Then tap General and select iPhone Storage. Review the list of apps to find which ones are using up the most space. After that, free up space by offloading or deleting apps, media, or files that you no longer need. Finally, once you have cleared some storage, check if the Voice Memo app is working now. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Note, this step will reset your system settings but won't delete any of your data. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on General. Next, scroll down a bit and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, choose Reset. Now, tap on Reset All Settings. Confirm your choice and wait for the settings to reset. Finally, open the Voice Memo app again to see if it's working as expected. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with the Voice Memo app on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. And stay tuned for our next video.